Good afternoon. Today is Thursday, July 2nd, 2026. I am here at Doctor's Lake Marina, and this is Mary Jane. I'm going to inspect the spots for the swim platform and just see exactly what's going on to where we can get a little bit more of an understanding. Alright, so it looks like at least 3 screws are missing. 2 from this strut, 1 from this strut, and the one that is on this strut is not attaching the strut to the transom. I'm going to wait for the mechanic to get here, and then we're going to brainstorm exactly what we're going to do to fix it.